Yo, welcome to How to Download Unfiltered, where we skip the drama and dive straight into downloads that actually work. No slow talk, no shady ads, just fast, crystal clear tutorials to get you sorted in seconds. If you're done wasting time, this is your new favorite spot. Let's go. First, open Firefox to download the file. The link is given in description box. Just click on link and download the file. There is no hassle in it. After downloading the file, go to folder where file have been downloaded. Then simply click on PDFelement to install the software. Wait for a moment, 2 files get downloaded. Check out this guide for a simpler method of downloading and installing the software. To get the Wondershare PDFelement Pro installed, just click on it. It might take a bit, just give yourself a sec. Alright, before you put the program together, go grab those files from the UZ1 crack folder. Okay. Alright, the program has been installed, but don't open it yet. Hover your cursor over the software icon, then click on Open File Directory. Alright, just paste all 4 of the files you grabbed previously. If you've got the error, don't worry, just skip this. This don't affect your Wondershare software. Alright, you're all set to dive into the best-in-class software experience. Go ahead and let your creativity soar. Dive into the awesome Wondershare Ultimate Edition now.